I'm curious, how many people get a little nervous when they see this room? That's a test booth. That's where we put you in to test your hearing. And there's no need to be nervous. You can't study for the test to do better on it, right? You can only do as good as your own natural abilities. And you don't have to worry about failing because nobody hears perfectly, right? Like I've never tested anybody and all their marks are at the 0 line. Like that's just unrealistic. And remember, we're not just looking at how soft you can hear sounds, but we're also looking at how well your brain can interpret or understand speech. And that's the big, most important part of the test. I can make things loud with a hearing aid. That's what hearing aids do. They make things louder so that you could hear them. What I can't do is change the way your brain processes the sound. And so you repeating back those words, both in quiet and in noise, is more important to me than how soft you hear the beeps. And when I talk to patients, the pressing the button when they hear the beeps can be a little bit stressful or add a little bit of anxiety to their day. And then once we get to the speech testing, like everything calms down, which is wonderful. I don't want you being stressed for any part of the test, but remember, this part here, not as important as repeating back those words. I hope that helps relieve some of that stress. This room does not have to be scary. If you're noticing difficulties hearing or understanding, please go see a qualified audiologist in your area. All right, friends, have a great day.